Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how the multi-class classification works. I mean, of course, with example. And as you can see from this pipeline, it's the same as the binary classification. So you have a data, pre-process, training, and evaluation. This is the same for every step. And I also showed you in the previous video how to structure, let's see, your code. I mean, it might be, let's say in the beginning it might be hard, or let's say take time, but it will save you a much time in the future. So as you can see here, what I have done, I have added only a new data set. So the new data set, it's like, for instance, predictive maintenance. So the predictive maintenance is in a key Kaggle, as you can see, and it's supposed to, let's say, to detect the class of the device. But I think this is not a real data set because it's hard to find some data. But you can see here, it's a synthetic data set, and it has the temperature of the device. You can see here, for instance, I have downloaded this to my PC. And you can see this is the attributes that will try to classify, for instance, this product as a failure or non-failure or no failure. So, and of course you can download it from here. And what I have done, it's only adding a new class. I will show you in the code a new class of this data set, how to read it and how to pass this. And these other components I haven't touched because it's let's say well designed, so nothing would need to be changed. Only the data set here. And I will show you now. You can see this is the data class. This are the other classes we have tested last video, and this is the predictive maintenance. So it's nothing to change, but I have defined the function, which is you can define the function. You can even define it as a private if you want, but just let's keep it like this. And they have here encode. I dropped this index because it's not needed. It's only an index for the stubbles. And these, as you can see, features, or let's see, columns, are categorical and are not, let's see, numerical values. So we need to encode these values with this, for instance, code. I have the categorical columns, type and product ID, and go through this and try to transform it to the numerical values. Now from in the main, I have, as you can see here, data class import. I have imported this predictive, but as you can see, I have changed this. It was, for instance, spam dataset, and this is, I will see, it's not a good solution to change it every time in this main. While main, I mean, I will say main, it's not, let's say, related to the core implementation. Main, you can change whatever you want in the main. It's not, let's say, related to the algorithms, the to the main core. So, for instance, the classifier won't be changed, the data, the decision tree, this won't be changed. But if you want, you can change only the main. But anyway, this implementation also, it's still not optimal. We will in the next video, I will try to optimize and add. And oops, sorry. So instead of having, let's see, for instance, I'm using now predictive maintenance. Next time I need to use the spam data. I have to change it here, which is, I will see, it's tedious work. So I will add the factory class for this, and it should work. And I will also add uh, a config file, and I will show you how to read the config file and assign the parameters and etc. Also, I will try to add log files. So yeah, let me just, I have read the data, as you can see, reading the data, and this won't be changed. So when I run this, I will have the result as expected. Yeah, okay. So let's start with the decision tree. As you can see, this is the confusion matrix of decision tree, and this is the precision and recall for each class. And now, based on your needs, as I said in the video of Bayesian and recall and even rock, the Bayesian and recall, it's only let's say calculated only for one class and ignore the other classes. So in case, for instance, it should, as you can see here, it showed you the position for each class. And now which one is important for you, you can try to focus on this. For instance, for me, it's the power failure. It's the most, let's say, dangerous one. So I will try to focus on this. Find, for instance, position and recall. And this is for the logistic regression support vector machine. And maybe, for instance, from the accuracy, all the classifiers have, let's say, divided, class except the decision tree, which is 99. It's almost one. But yeah, this is only how to show you in a, let's say, a diagonal overview. By the way, this code will be also, of course, uploaded to the Git as usual. Maybe I can show you where to find the Git. It's usually uh, it will be added in the video description, so no worries. So here you can find it, and you can see, for instance, supervised learning, and here you have the projects, yeah, classification projects. You can see it also here. Yeah, then I think we are at the end. So please, if you have, if you find this helpful, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. And if it means a lot to me. And of course, if you have any question, write it down in the comment below. I will answer it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.